Hey guys, welcome back to Tasha Fashion. You can see I'm in a very lovely sage. That would be the color, right? I don't know. You tell me, what color is this? But have a beautiful flowy silky dress, and I am trying this on today because we are hitting wedding season. Summer, it's beautiful, everybody is getting married, so let's look good for their celebration. I have on currently right now the Wolford Pantyhose. These are beautiful. I tried them on in a previous video and absolutely love them. Nice and sheer, glowy, but fits perfectly well. However, I want to try something different today. Let's do a crotchless one. How do you guys feel about these? I've worn some crotchless pantyhose before. I love that you can literally go to the bathroom and, you know, do your business and then leave. So quick and easy. So I'm hoping these are gonna feel just as nice and give me the same flexibility of that. So let's give it a shot. Let's get out of these heels first. Do that one. I'm struggling. Please don't mind me. You know, sometimes we just have those days. Like, can't get out of a shirt. Can't get into a bra. Who knows? We're doing our best, okay, guys? We are tumbling. Oh my gosh. There you go. Are you ready? Are you ready for breathability? Woohoo! Okay. One thing I'm gonna say about these is, like, I like how sheer they are again. I just love wearing pantyhose. I don't feel like anything, but they look so good. And because they're so sheer, the pop of color on my pedicure is gonna shine through. Woo, woo. Let me fix that. There you go. Much better. Let's do the other one. While I situate myself in this, I already failed. I'm going to do this again. But tell me, how many weddings are you guys going to? Are you going to have a fun and eventful summer? Would you wear something like this for a wedding, or what's your go-to look? Leave it in the comments below. So, I think we almost got it. Ooch, ooch, ooch. All right, fam, we are almost there. Let's fix this. I like them. They feel invisible. They kind of look invisible, which is my preferred thing. But it's gonna be so nice when you're, you know, maybe a couple drinks in and you need to, like, run to the bathroom and do your business. You save time, efficiency, and you look cute. Let's put the heels back on and see the final look. Do-do-do. 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 I don't know why I'm singing Spider-Man theme. Yeah. All right. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we got it. Yes, this is the wedding look. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for having me, guys, and we'll see you next time.